Hello friends, our today's question is question number 1480, which is running sum of 1D array. So let's read the question first. We are given an array nums. We need to define a running sum of array. And what is running sum here? Running sum of I is sum of nums of I till nums of I. And at last we need to return the running sum of nums. So what is running sum here? Let's understand. So example. So here I have example nums equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. So our output is here is 1, 3, 6, 10. And what running sum is? Running sum is obtained as follows. The first the first element in resultant array should be 1, then 1 plus 2, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, like this. Then at last 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And same here, nums are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 times 1. And running sum is obtained as follows. First element should be 1, then 1 plus 1, then 1 plus 1 plus 1, then 4 times 1, and then 5 times 1. Same here. Now let's understand this through example. So firstly, we are given nums dot length here range from 1 to 1000, greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 1000. And nums of I range is minus 10 to the power 6, less than equal to, and greater than equal to minus 10 to the power 6 and less than equal to 10 to the power 6. Now let's understand this through example. So firstly, let's take example of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So running sum would be like this. First element should be 2, then second element should be 2 plus 4, then third element should be 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6, then fourth element will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, and last element will be 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and plus 10. So this is our resultant array. This resultant array should look like this. Now let's understand this example through the code. So now let's see our first line would be like we need to return array. So we will first make a vector array of int and we will name it resultant. Rest will be our name. And our second step will be if our nums are empty, so we will return our nums only. So our if our like nums is the input array, so nums will got empty, so we will return the nums only. And now we need a sum variable, so we will make a int sum equals to 0. And now we will run a for loop which will start from 0 and will go up to nums dot size. And what will this for loop do? This for loop is for calculating the sum, running sum. So sum would be incrementing like this: sum plus equal to nums of I. So this would be incrementing till last element, and whenever the sum is incremented, it will be pushed back into the resultant array, so that we get the running sum of the particular element. And after this is done, we will return the resultant vector array, and our approach is done here. So we have done nothing here. We have just made a we have just made a notice we have just made a vector array which is resultant. So our main answer is resultant array, and then a sum variable which is initialized to 0, then a for loop which will start from 0 till nums dot size till the last element. Then sum is incremented by the nums of I particular element, so that particular element would be incremented to sum, and when the sum is incremented, it would be pushed back to the resultant array, so that we get the running sum of that particular element. Because we need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, we have nums input this, and we require 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 plus 6, and so on. So we will get particular sum. Now let's do the code. So our first thing is making an array and naming it is now a sum variable which will be initialized to 0, then a for loop which will start from 0 and will go up to nums dot size and then incrementing it. Now we will increment the sum with nums of I, and when the sum is incremented we will push that particular sum, so we get that particular elements running sum, and at last we will return the res variable, the array. Now let's test this. Okay, all the three test cases are passed here. Now let's submit and check the results. Okay, it is accepted and all the test cases are passed. Our runtime is 0 millisecond and beats are 100%. Memory used here is 12.68 MB, beats are 12.5%. And this was the solution of this question. Thank you.